Acosta comes over.
Good stuff from Danny Acosta. Very good defending. 2v1. Force them to make a mistake.
Rusnak, good ball for Silva. Silva looking for some help. Tough angle. He buries it. Luis Silva. 29th minute. RSL takes the lead.
And has been on an absolute tear. Make some changes, both tactical and personnel-wise.
Silva held her, and Silva was able to get around and keep it in. Acosta, service. Mulholland, Plata, saved by Tarbell. A brief spill, but he covers it up. A lot of balls in the air at midfield, like Justin Glad did right there. Mulholland for Plata. Plata, Silva. Nice save. Tarbell to his left. Rusnak, back for Silva. Silva, heavy touch. Tarbell can't get it. Plata.
And this one is going to get a review. The first touch. Yep, we're going to video review. Hold on the celebration right now. He's going to take a long look at that challenge from Luis Silva on Andrew Tarbell. Watch the challenge as he goes in. Is it a 50-50 challenge? Is there a clear and obvious error? The goalkeeper has two hands on the ball for a split second. DJ would not be surprised. Would not be surprised if this goal does not stand. Yep, not going to stand.
Mulholland sends it back in. Luke deflecting the clearance by Salinas. Rusnak sliding, shooting off the post. Rusnak bumping the post.
Head up. This little slalom gets between a few defenders and then just bangs it. And Annabelle Godoy, he's gone.
He's already sitting on yellow.
If he's been judged to put a hand in the face of Albert Rusnak, he's gone. And he sees yellow in the 61st. Listen, I said it before the game, and right there, the hand reaches out.
Left and right to Tony. Mulholland off the post! Snapped the header right off the post. Acosta sends it back in. It's blocked to Plata. Plata's shot deflected and just wide of the post.
On take again, Luke. Pops up, rises like a sap.
By Imperiale, who's now down. Ball falls to Acosta. Rusnak, Savarino. Savarino, shot, side panel! Beautiful goal from Savarino.
Balls hit his face as he stayed down. Jefferson Savarino sidesteps two players, takes the ball away outside of the penalty area, and just caresses that beautiful ball into that far post side net.
That's a beautiful goal by Savarino.
What a goal.
It'll be October before we know how important that is. Rusnak just over the bar. Lennon with Silva in the middle. Rusnak making a run. That ball just beyond Silva, but it falls to Plata. Plata for Rusnak. 3-0 RSL.
He adjusts his feet, he takes it well, he uncorks his hip.
Ura, nice touch, back to Lennon, Brooks into the area, off the post, and Bernardes clears. RSL, 3 goals in 3 posts.
Oh, Ura does a fantastic job digging this ball out, and for Brooks, he's beat.
Will handle that.
I still think Yura Movsisyan has a massive piece to play.
This could be 3v1. Yura tries to cross it, deflected. Yura shot! Yura makes it 4-0!
Left-hand side as Yura Movsisyan makes it 4-0.
Lennon hit the post. There is the whistle. So Petrescu ends it. RSL defeats the Quakes. 4-0 the final.